back. I'm Sagatan in learning computer with seeing the natural beautiful sights of Indian village और भारतीय गांव. Now in previous lecture we learned about the conditional branch switch. Now we see next some useful things related to the C programming. Now unconditional branch break. The break statement cause unconditional exist from for, while, do or switch construct. The control is transferred to the statement immediately outside the blocks in which break appears. Next, unconditional branch continue. The continue statement causes unconditional transfer to next iteration in for, while or do construct. The control is transferred to the statement beginning the block in which continues appears. Next, unconditional branch go to label. The go to statement causes unconditional transfer to a statement marked with the label within the function. The label is marked with a unique name or name number followed by a colon and a statement. Next, unconditional branch return value or variable. The return statement causes immediate termination of function in which it appears and transfer control to the statement that call the function. Optionally, it provides a value compatible to the function's return data type. संकट मोचन हनुमान को जय. संकट मोचन हनुमान की जय. जय बजरंगबली. ओम नमः शिवाय. ओम नमः शिवाय. जय सीताराम 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 सीताराम. जय सीताराम. Now loop structure. We use loop statement to repeat execution of a statement or a block of a statement. There are two types of loops, pre-test and post-test. A pre-test loop tests a condition before an iteration to check if the loop should occur. A post-test loop tests a condition after an iteration to check if the loop should continue. In post-test loop, at least a single iteration occurs. First, pre-test loop, for. The for loop statement has three parts: initializer, loop condition and incrementer. Initializer is executed at the start of loop. Loop condition is tested before each iteration. If condition evaluates to non-zero, that is true, the next iteration occurs. Otherwise, the loop is terminated. Incrementer is executed at the end of each iteration. All parts of for loop are optional and can be omitted, making it a non-terminating loop that can be terminated only from within the loop using break statement. The general form of for loop is for, open parenthesis, open bracket, incrementer, close bracket, semicolon, open bracket, condition, close bracket, semicolon, open bracket, incrementer, close bracket, close parenthesis. Next, open angle bracket statement, vertical slash block, close bracket, semicolon. For example, for open parenthesis I equals to 0, semicolon, space I space less than equal to less than 10, semicolon, I plus plus, close parenthesis. Printf, open parenthesis, open quote I equals to %d, close parenthesis, comma, I, close parenthesis, semicolon, close quote, comma, I, close parenthesis, semicolon. Now pre-test loop while. The while loop statement has a loop condition only. Loop condition is tested before each iteration. If condition evaluates to non-zero, that is true, the next iteration occurs, otherwise the loop is terminated. The general form of while loop is while, open parenthesis, open angle bracket, condition, close angle bracket, close parenthesis. Next, open angle bracket statement slash block, close angle bracket, semicolon. For example, while, open parenthesis, I less than 10, close parenthesis. Next, curly bracket, next print f, open parenthesis, open quote I equals to percent %d, close quote, comma, space I, close parenthesis, semicolon, next I plus plus semicolon, next close curly bracket. Now post test loop, do while. The do while loop statement has a loop condition only. Loop condition is tested after each iteration. It is obvious that at least one iteration occurs before the condition is tested. If condition evaluates to non-zero, that is true, the next iteration occurs, otherwise the loop is terminated. The general form of do while loop is do open angle bracket statement slash block close angle bracket semicolon, next while open parenthesis open angle bracket condition close angle bracket close parenthesis semicolon. Now see it from example, like do a space open curly bracket, next print f, open parenthesis open quote I equals to percent %d, close quote, comma, I close parenthesis semicolon, next close curly bracket space while space open angle bracket I less than 10 close parenthesis semicolon. Now functions. Now the next topic in this lecture is function. So let's know about the function. Functions are building blocks of a program, also called subprograms. Usually functions contain actions that a program performs. We also use functions to modularize a section of code called repeatedly from various other code sections. We can code an algorithm in a function and call it with different data whenever required. All functions need to be declared and defined before use. Function declaration requires function name, argument list, and return type. Function definition requires coding the body or logic of function. It is possible to declare and define a function at same time. The function name follows the same policy as that of a variable. It must be unique, must begin with a character, and can be as long as 31 characters. Function return type must be a data type, except arrays and functions, or pointer of a data type. If return type is omitted, int data type is assumed. The argument list is a formal list that includes data type and variable name combination. We must separate each argument by a comma. We may declare no argument assumed to be void, a fixed number of arguments, or a variable number of arguments represented by ellipse for a function. In case we use ellipse symbol, it must be the last in the list, that is rightmost. Default parameter if passing is y value, which provides a function with a copy of the data passed to it at separate memory location that original. The other mechanism is parameter passing by reference, which provides a function with the address of data passed to it. We achieve this by using pointer as a parameter. In case of parameters passing by value, the change made to the formal argument in the called function have no effect on the values of actual argument in the calling function. Declaring a function follows the following syntax. Open bracket return type close bracket open angle bracket function name close angle bracket open bracket open parenthesis open bracket type variable close bracket open bracket comma type variable close bracket, next open bracket comma dash close bracket close parenthesis and semicolon. Now see the example. Int space my func space open parenthesis int space val comma space int space mode val space close parenthesis next close curly bracket, next open curly bracket unsigned space temp semicolon next temp space equal space val space percent space mode val semicolon next return space temp semicolon next close curly bracket. We can call this function from any other place using simple statement. Int space n space equal space my func open parenthesis 4 comma 2 close parenthesis semicolon. जय सीताराम, जय सीताराम, जय बजरंगबली, जय संकट मोचन हनुमान. ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय. It is not mandatory to assign the return value of a function. Function name is a reference type and thus has an address when used without any argument list. It is possible to create pointer to function. This provides a rudimentary runtime polymorphism when used thoughtfully. Every C program is required to have a special function called main. This function is the entry point of the program. The main function has following prototypes: stern space int space main space open parenthesis wide close parenthesis open curly bracket dot close curly bracket, or stern space int space main open parenthesis int space argc comma char asterisk argv bracket close parenthesis open curly bracket dot close curly bracket. Some compilers also accept the return type void. We use the argc and argv parameters to capture the command line parameters supplied when executing the program. Now we see some sample programs to illustrate the C programming. So let's see first program. In this line is first we see the give the statement, that is /* program to accept an integer from console and to display whether the number is even or odd * solidus. Now start program. Has a space include a space open angle bracket stdio.h close angle bracket, next void space main parenthesis, next open curly bracket, next int space number comma space remainder semicolon, next clr that is clear screen parenthesis semicolon space solidus st clears the console screen st solidus. Next printf space open parenthesis open quote enter an integer colon space close quote close parenthesis semicolon. Next scanf space open parenthesis open quote %d close quote comma space and number close parenthesis semicolon, next remainder space equal space number space % space 2 semicolon, next if space open parenthesis remainder equal 0 close parenthesis, next printf space open parenthesis open quote \n space the given number is even close quote close parenthesis semicolon, next else, next printf open parenthesis open quote \n the given number is odd close quote close parenthesis semicolon, next get ch parenthesis semicolon, next close curly brackets. So this is a simple program written in C to accept integer from console and to display whether the number is even or odd. Now we see next another programs. Now the program is the statement for this program is, that is solidus st program to accept the radius of a circle from console and to calculate the displayed area and circumference solidus. Now program start. Has a space include a space open angle bracket stdio.h close angle bracket, next has a space include a space open angle bracket con io.h close angle bracket, next has a space define a space cap pi a space 3.1415, next void a space main parenthesis, next open curly bracket, Next, float space radius comma space area comma space circum semicolon. Next, CLR SCR parenthesis semicolon. Next, printf space open parenthesis open quote enter the radius of the circle colon space close quote close parenthesis semicolon. Next, scanf space open parenthesis open quote percent f close quote comma and radius close parenthesis semicolon. Next, area space equal cap pi asterisk radius semicolon. Next, circum space equal to asterisk cap pi asterisk radius semicolon. Next, printf space open parenthesis open quote backslash n space area and circumference of the circle are percent f and percent f respectively close quote comma area comma circum close parenthesis semicolon. Next, get ch parenthesis semicolon. Next, close curly bracket. Now we see next program in C. To the statement is to accept a string from console and to display the number of vowels in the string. So first write a statement. Solidus asterisk program to accept a string from console and to display the number of vowels in the string asterisk solidus. Has a space include a space open open angle bracket stdio dot h. Next, has a space include a space open angle bracket con io dot h close angle bracket. Next, has a space include a space open angle bracket string dot h close angle bracket. Next, void a space main parenthesis. Next, open curly bracket. Next, char space input underscore string open bracket 50 close bracket semicolon a space solidus asterisk maximum a space 50 space characters a space asterisk solidus. Next, int space length semicolon. Next, int space I equals 0 comma cnt space equal 0 semicolon. Next, clr scr parenthesis semicolon. Next, print f space open parenthesis open quote enter a string of less than 50 characters colon a space backslash n close quote close parenthesis semicolon. Next, gets a space open parenthesis input underscore a string close parenthesis semicolon. Next, len a space equal a space str len a space open parenthesis input underscore a string close parenthesis semicolon. Next, for a space open parenthesis I equals to 0 semicolon a space I less than len semicolon a space I plus plus close parenthesis. Next, open curly bracket. Next, switch a space open parenthesis input underscore a string open bracket I close bracket close parenthesis. Next, open curly bracket case a space vertical inverted comma a close under inverted comma a colon. Next, case under inverted comma e colon. Next, case under inverted comma I colon. Next, case under inverted comma colon. Next, case under inverted comma u colon. Next, case under inverted comma cap a colon. Next, case under inverted comma cap e colon. Next, case under inverted comma I colon. Next, case under inverted comma o colon. Next, case under inverted comma u cap u all these are u cap colon. Next, cnt subscript plus plus semicolon. Next, close curly bracket. Next, close curly bracket. Next, printf a space open parenthesis open quote backslash n a space number of vowels in the string are percent d close quote, comma, space cnt, close parenthesis, semicolon, next get ch, parenthesis, semicolon, next close curly bracket. So this is the program in C for writing to accept a string from console and to display the number of vowels in the string. Now see the next program. Now the next program is for the program for accept an integer in the range 1 to 7 both inclusive from console and to display the corresponding day, Monday for 1, Tuesday for 2, Wednesday for 3, and so on. If the entered number is out of range, the program display images saying that asterisk solidus. So this is the statement of program which is written. Now start program. Has include a space open angle bracket stdio.h close angle bracket, has include a space open angle bracket con io.h close angle bracket, has define a space cap mon a space printf a space open parenthesis open quote backslash n a space entered number is 1 hence day is Monday close quote close parenthesis semicolon. Next has define cap tue a space printf a space open parenthesis open quote backslash n a space entered number is 2 hence day is Tuesday close quote close parenthesis semicolon. Next has define a space cap bed a space printf a space open parenthesis open quote backslash n a space entered number is 3 hence day is Wednesday close quote close parenthesis semicolon. Next has defined cap thu printf a space open parenthesis open quote backslash n a space entered number is 4 hence day is Thursday close quote close parenthesis semicolon. Next has defined fri print cap fri space printf a space open parenthesis open quote backslash n a space entered number is 5 hence day is Friday close quote close parenthesis semicolon. Next has defined a space cap site a space printf a space open parenthesis open quote backslash n a space entered number is 6 hence day is Saturday close quote close parenthesis semicolon. Next has defined a space sun cap sun a space printf a space open bracket open parenthesis close quote open quote backslash n a space entered number is 7 hence day is Sunday close quote close parenthesis semicolon. Has defined a space cap oth a space printf a space open parenthesis open quote backslash n a space entered number is out of range close quote close parenthesis semicolon. Now next void a space main parenthesis. Next open curly bracket next int a space day semicolon. Next clr scr parenthesis semicolon. Next printf a space open parenthesis open quote enter an integer in the range 1 to 7 close quote close parenthesis semicolon. Next scanf space open parenthesis open quote %d close quote comma space and day close parenthesis semicolon. Next switch open parenthesis day close parenthesis. Next open curly bracket next case 1 colon cap mon semicolon break next break semicolon. Next case 2 colon next cap tue semicolon next break semicolon. Next case 3 colon next cap bed semicolon next break semicolon. Next case 4 colon cap thu semicolon next break semicolon. Next case 5 colon cap fri semicolon break semicolon. Next case 6 colon cap sat semicolon next breaks semicolon. Next case 7 colon cap sun semicolon break semicolon. Next default colon next cap ots semicolon. Next close curly bracket next get ch parenthesis semicolon. So this is the program in C, written in C for above said statement. Now with this I would like to end this lecture here. जय सीताराम, जय बजरंगबली, जय संकट मोचन हनुमान. ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम